All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the references menu. So if I click on references, you can see here we have table of contents, footnotes, research, citations and bibliography, captions, index, and table of authorities. Okay, so table of contents. So you can add a table of contents here, right? Add text, update table, insert footnote right down here, show notes. For research, we can do smart lookup and then do researcher, insert citation. So we can add an author, title, year, city, publisher. Manage sources, style is APA, bibliography. Okay, and then we have captions. We can insert captions. Okay. Cross-reference, insert table figures. And then index, we can mark entry, insert index, mark citation, insert table of authorities. Okay, so that is the references menu. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.